Here I have Motorola Moto E6i, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to hold down power key, and when this turn off menu appears, hold down your finger on power off, and then device will be restarted in the safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit this mode, just hold down power key, select restart, and device will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.